My clients are related to construction somehow.
Yeah.
Are they need buildings or they are constructing them? And this is my main focus. And I have few softwares that I consult on, or BRINOTION is one example of my own software.
Okay, so in terms of the products that you're working with, why don't we kind of get a list of those, and we can get you talking about what you've done with each one.
No, one of the focuses has been Autodesk and their softwares. I was a retailer once, and I know Revit and Navisworks and Autodesk Construction Cloud and everything related to that. And sometimes I consult in those topics as well. BRINOTION is something my own, and this is based on Notion. Maybe you know, this is general no-code, low-code solution.
Most of your clients are in North America. How did that come about?
This is thanks to my BRINOTION solution. I don't have direct contacts there, and I'm I'm in Europe and Estonia, but and my service clients are mostly from Estonia as well. But product is selling good in US.
So in terms of BRINOTION, what are the problems that you're solving with that, and are these problems that a client came to you with, and you figured, well, if you have these problems, other people will too, so we'll standardize this? Or what is the product doing? Where did it come from?
Well, I was once myself a project manager as well, and I hated dealing with Excel documents and Outlook, and this BRINOTION tries to solve mostly the project management related things like issue management, budget and schedule and meeting notes and so on. And it's like, I describe it like first next step from Excel documents to more how to say, more futuristic way of solving problems. It's a Notion, maybe you know.
Okay, yeah.
It has 100 million users, but it's a general usage tool. When you download it or access it, it doesn't have anything in it. It's like database or whatever. It's platform to do whatever you want. And quite possibly I was one of the first ones that packaged it to be relatable to construction industry.
What kind of problems are you solving that for your clients that aren't addressed by commercial off-the-shelf software already? Or is it just a matter, well, the commercial off-the-shelf software is very expensive, you don't need all of it, we'll do something for you, you'll just do what you need? Where do you kind of fit in that whole continuum?
No, no, my solution doesn't offer, I don't know, anything that unique. You can pay much and get similar features, but the killing feature is that it's affordable and it's very flexible. But like you said, contractors work quite similarly. Maybe this good example is that me from Estonia can sell something that can be used in US, and BRINOTION's the core is made keeping that in mind, that it should fit to very wide of participants. And
so when you engage with a contractor, are they looking for project management software application? What product category do you think you're really in with BRINOTION?
My solution is, like I said, next step from the Excel documents. and and it helps to build up whatever they need. Maybe they need website, maybe they need some kind of inner portal or whatever, and Notion can be used for whatever they need. And it's like project management software, but it doesn't have document management capabilities, but it can integrate to Google Drive or SharePoint or whatever.
Yeah. So right now, it seems like what you've got is essentially a template that can ride within the Notion application. Is that a correct characterization?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And is this template more aimed at managing a specific single project as opposed to a portfolio of projects?
Yeah, the template that I'm selling is for running one specific project, but I offer as a consultancy the possibility to manage all your projects, and but I haven't made that one as a packaged thing. That can be different when based on what you are, where are you from, or what kind of jobs are you doing.
Yeah. So if you're dealing with like a larger contractor that might be running, like P6 or something for project portfolio management, is there like a simple and straightforward integration for BRINOTION with P6 or other next level up software products?
No, you can. There are API document. API is available, and you can use CSV files or Excel files, but not any direct integration.
When it comes to like that ideal customer profile, what are the characteristics of a contractor that would really be a good fit and receive the most benefit from BRINOTION?
Smaller to medium sized, where they see that Excel and manual methods are not anymore working, but are not the customers for the bigger things, or they don't need bigger things. But when I offer this as a service, this thing can be very advanced tool. It can help you to run PIM requirements and information delivery, and it can be very advanced.
So when you say small to medium-sized contractors, how much revenue are we talking about annually? Because some people's idea of a small contractor is, like the guy, jumping in his truck with some hand tools and like building my back deck. Other people's idea of a small contractor is that small commercial builder, or that, so you just put some numbers on this.
It's hard to tell. I don't exactly know how it is in the US, but in Estonia, it may be a few $1 million, euros per year, maybe. And when you are very small, you quite possibly don't need anything. But the Notion's background is good, because maybe even those very small companies or their founders use Notion for their personal things. Notion has more than 100 million users already, and it is quite simple to start use it for the business purposes as well.